Welcome to Enovin Foods. Today we are making soft breakfast paratha that's flaky, buttery, and easy to prepare. It pairs perfectly with eggs, curry, or even a cup of hot tea. Let's start the recipe. Take 1 cup all-purpose flour in a bowl. 1 egg. Add 1 tablespoon sugar. Half teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon oil. Mix everything together until it becomes crumbly. Adding egg to the dough helps make the paratha softer and richer. Now gradually add 1/4 cup water. Knead everything into a soft and smooth dough. Knead the dough until it's smooth for a softer paratha. If needed, add a few drops of extra water while kneading. Rub a little oil over the dough. Cover it and let it rest for a while. Meanwhile, let's prepare the layering mixture. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons flour with 2 tablespoons oil. Mix well until you get a smooth slurry. Now take a portion of the rested dough. Roll it into a thin round sheet. Spread the flour and oil slurry. Fold the dough just as shown to create beautiful layers. Layering the dough creates flaky bakery-style texture. Now roll it out gently. Heat a pan over medium heat. Place the paratha onto the hot pan. Cook for a minute. Cook over medium heat so the paratha cooks through without burning. Add oil. Flip it over. Cook both sides until they become golden, soft, and lightly crispy. Press gently with a spatula while cooking to help the layers puff beautifully. Once both sides are perfectly cooked, remove it from the pan. Your homemade soft breakfast paratha is ready. Soft inside, flaky outside, and full of homemade goodness. It's a breakfast everyone will love. Try this simple recipe and enjoy a fresh, comforting start to your day. Follow Enovin Foods for more easy breakfast recipes, delicious homemade meals, and family favorites.